Throw the coin, watch it rise, watch it fall. Spin the wheel, say it's logic, say it's law. Build it up just to knock it back down. The cycle's got teeth, hear the grind, hear the sound. Necessity, just another name for the game. They say it's survival, but it sure feels the same. Rich men shuffle, poor folk pray, and I sit here watching the pixels decay. Plug it in, turn it on, hope it runs. Media pipe shaking, the wires come undone. Time travels slow, yeah, humans crawl, while the system hums, making fools of us all. 50 years watching screens glitch and whine. Capital moves, but the cables decline. You step out the rock, you think you're free, but the jungle ain't vines, it's corporate debris. International now, across dimensions, manifesting destiny but losing direction. A microphone crackles, a camera won't load, and the universe laughs. It's all just a code, so restart the app, unplug and rewire. Blame the firmware, blame the empire, and if all else fails, just sit and be still, because time itself don't care for your